Hello and welcome to Beyond the Cover, where we bring you the wisdom, lessons, and inspiration that hide behind the pages of great books. This channel is for you if you want to improve yourself, grow your mindset, build confidence, understand money and business, master productivity and time, and live a smarter, better life. Here you'll find self-development books, business and money books, productivity and time management books, and much more, all explained simply, honestly, and engagingly. Every video is designed to help you learn, grow, and take action, because what really matters is not just reading the book, but going beyond the cover. If you're ready to change your life, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Stop just reading. Start understanding. Go beyond the cover. Lesson 2. Why teach financial literacy? From Rich Dad, Poor Dad for Beyond the Cover. Intro. Most people believe that earning more money solves all their financial problems. But why do so many people, even those with high salaries, still end up broke? In Lesson 2 of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki reveals the real reason. It's not how much money you make. It's how much money you keep. And that's why financial literacy is more important than just making money. Let's dive into this lesson and discover how you can build real wealth. The problem: why people stay broke. Robert noticed that people often earn more over time. Their salaries increase, but their spending increases even faster. They buy bigger houses, new cars, expensive vacations, and as a result, they stay trapped in debt. Why? Because they don't know the difference between an asset and a liability. Rich Dad taught him, if you don't know the difference between an asset and a liability, you'll always struggle financially, no matter how much you earn. Poor Dad believed his house was his biggest asset. But Rich Dad explained, your house takes money out of your pocket every month. Mortgage, taxes, repairs, which makes it a liability, not an asset. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy means understanding how money works, how to make it, keep it, and grow it. It's not about memorizing numbers. It's about knowing what an asset is, what a liability is, and making sure you own more assets than liabilities. According to Rich Dad, assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. That's it. And the mistake most people make is spending their life collecting liabilities, thinking they are assets. Examples of assets and liabilities. Assets: rental properties that earn you income, stocks that pay dividends, bonds, businesses, royalties from books, music, or patents. Liabilities: a big personal house, car loans, credit card debt, anything that looks nice but costs you money every month. Rich Dad said, the rich focus on acquiring assets first and let those assets pay for their luxuries. What can you do? Here's what you can start doing today. 1. Track your expenses. Write down where your money is going. 2. Make a list of your assets and liabilities. 3. Stop buying liabilities that drain your income. 4. Start acquiring assets, even small ones, and let them grow over time. Even if you start small, the habit of collecting assets is what sets you free. Summary: to become truly rich, learn the difference between assets and liabilities. Spend your life building your asset column. Financial literacy is more important than a high salary. The rich don't just earn money. They make money work for them through their assets. Questions to hook the next lesson. But here's something to think about. If building assets is so important, how do you actually find the right opportunities? What stops most people from even trying to build assets? And what fears and doubts keep them stuck in a rat race? We'll uncover the answers to these questions in the next lesson of this series. So don't forget to subscribe and watch the next part, where you'll learn how to overcome the biggest obstacle to becoming rich, because your journey to success begins beyond the cover.